Hello Miss, before I'm explaining you and presenting about the single switch, our main topic, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Dava Kasmundia, you can call me Dava, and I recently studied at Semarang State Polytechnic, and my major is electrical engineering. So our main topic here is a single switch. Single switch is the most common and the most essential electronic parts or component that you can find in a building, such a house, hospital, and maybe prison, I think. And how is it work? How the single switch is work? So basically, it has two buttons in here, the red one and the white one. The red one is an input to the source, and the white one is an output to the source. So how does it work? You can put your cable source like this in the input one. So there's a small hole in here that you can put an electrical cable, a phase from the source in here. So second one is the output. You can put a neutral to this hole, this small hole, that you can lock like this. And when it's locked, you must put another cable, a phase cable, that connect it to the lamp or to the electronic parts that you want to connect. We're going to use lamp as the example. When it does its things, when you got anything right, the switch will do its things. Like the switch has two options, on and off. If it's on, the lights will going to bright and on like this. It's on position, and if it's going to you put it like you touch it and you push the button to off positions, it will going to turn off the lights. So it means there's two options to turn on the electronical parts or turn off the electronical parts. There's so many several advantages that you can have or you can have to using a single switch. Like first, the design is very simple. Design is very simple and small and easy to easy to work, easy to understand, and the second is affordable. You can find it anywhere, like a nearby store, an electrical store, or a big supermarket if you want to. And the third is it's also effective, it's always effective. But you can also put an extra safety that I can explain to you why. Because if you touch this with your hands wet or have many water in here, if you touch it, it can make electrical shocks. So that's all that I can explain to you. My name is Ahmad Dava Kasmundia. Thank you.